Just got done finishing this Mitsubishi 3.5 ton 5 zone. Had to run 4 line sets through the bottom of the house. 1 line set along this wall right here. Nice and clean. This drain line. Notice how noisy this thing is. The electrical ran from a sub panel underneath the house. Stubbed it out right there and ran it directly to the unit. We're on the back side here. This was a fun one to run. We had to duck and dodge underneath this bush right here. Ran the line set underneath the house. Popped out with the drain line. Ran it straight to the ground. It's kind of a challenge with this third one over here with a 5/8 line and a 3/8 line. This was a track from the second bedroom. Pop through here. Welcome. Drain line down to the ground. Had a lot of dogs here to help us. Ran this drain line straight down to the ground. Had to pop in through the wall here also. This was the 24K in the kitchen, our living room area. This was a whole lot of fun. Just popped out of the wall, a couple sweeping 90s. Dove down underneath there. Alright, let's go inside. Back up, puppy. There's a 24K we put in the living room area.
The answer to the question you keep asking yourself. Who are you?
There's a 9K we put in the tattoo room. They're all blowing really nicely. There's a 6K in the bedroom. There's a 9K in the master bedroom. Things are pumping out some heat right now. It happened to rain on us on our second day. It's kind of chilly out. So we're running them in heating right now. So for the one that was in the tattoo room, I had to poke out through the closet behind it. Run it down through the floor underneath the house. Over to the condensing unit. Here's the 6K in the kids' room. Kid's gonna grow up to love this thing. Alright, that's all we got. See you on the next one.